Hey guys, it's Barrages here again, and this is the third and most probably the final part of 2022 Bonfire night Firework Dash. So yeah, as you can see, it's quite a lot here, and like it says in the last video, part 2, there's some bigger bits, some bigger barrages here, and yeah, and bigger selection boxes, and we get to the rockets later. So yeah, we're gonna start with this selection box here. It's a Mercury selection box from Evolution Fireworks. This is a pretty decent box really. You get a good variety in it, except for Catherine wheels. There's no Catherine wheels in it, but there's some decent little barrages, as you can see there. Yeah, you get these few mini rockets as well. You can see, I think there's 2 of them in here. Yeah, so 2 little rockets, some shot tubes, some 8 shots, similar to the Bright Star ones. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fountains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, this is quite a big fountain, as you can see. Quite a large one. And you get these 2 red dwarf single shot tubes as well. There's supposed to be a spike on it there, but there one on that one, but that's no problem. And yeah, you do get this, I think it's 96 shot. I'm sorry if you can hear the wind, it's because I'm outside. 72 grams, so there's a bit of a less grams in there than these on the Oriental stars, but it looks similar, so it probably does similar effects. And we got this detonation 12 shot barrage as well. (81.6 grams), and I think that's a bit less than the butter moon and stuff like that, which we'll get to after. Is it actually? I'll have a look now. Yeah, there's 85.2 grams in there. Actually, I can't remember if it's right or not, but I don't know whether there was 90 something grams in them before. I'm not sure. There might have been, or I might have just remembered wrong. But anyway, yeah, there's 81.6. I'm getting confused here, guys. Hold on. Oh yeah, just a bit less than 85 in there and 81 in here, so just about 4 grams less, so not that much really. But yeah, it can't be too bad. The tubes look a decent size, so yeah, it's good to get stuff like that in a section box, because you don't usually get these sorts, but Evolution you obviously do. So yeah, that should be a pretty decent box. 15 fireworks in it, as you can see there. Does it tell you the total amount? No, that's the... No, it might be underneath. Yeah, there, it's underneath. There's 344 grams in it. You can see there, in the whole box. So yeah, that's a Mercury selection box we got there. Just move that to the side a set. Next we come to this much smaller selection box, the silver singing dragon selection box. It's much smaller. As you can see, we've got these 3 5 shot big magic ball shot tubes, Roman candles, and the rest I think are fountains. I thought these was little shot tubes, but it says fountain on them, so yeah, fountain. And these as well, obviously the shape, but yeah, them are fountains as well. So all of them are fountains except for them 5 shot tubes. Yeah, But I'm kind of looking forward to these though, gold strobe, because I love the strobe effects. I don't know whether you love them as much as me, but I really do enjoy strobe effect. So yeah, we got a couple of them. So a few of them. So yeah, that's the Singing Dragon selection box. I think I've grams in there. I probably missed it, but I don't know. Yeah, we got 2 of them Singing Dragon small selection boxes as well. So all together in the complete stash, we have got 5 selection boxes. As you remember, on the last stash we got 2 aerial attacks, these 2 Singing Dragons, and this Mercury selection box. So 5 all together. I'm sorry if you can hear the dog in the background. It's someone else's dog, so I can't really do anything. Anyway, we got this next, the UFO spinning fountain, as you can see there. This from Asda, £22 from Asda. How much grams are in it? 60 grams of neck in that. Yeah, that looks pretty good as well, so look forward to that. That looks pretty good, so we'll see. And next we've got these, the magical handheld fountains. So I think these are new as well from Bright Star, so them should be pretty good. You can see the different colours there. So yeah, we've got two monster crackling sparklers as well. And now we come to these smaller barrages, which are pretty popular by now as well. The Angel Dust, which has been out a few years. 120 grams. Button Moon, 85.2, and I think these are the same as well. $85.2, yeah. So them 3 are all the same. So there's quite a lot in Angel Dust as well, more than them. So yeah. And next off we come to these big ones, which is Vivid's Screaming Banshee, Super Whistletail to Brocade with Red Blink. And I saw the video to this, and the Whistletails go quite high before they break out into a burst. So yeah, that looks pretty good. 472.5 grams in there, so quite a decent amount of neck in that. This is the first time I think I've ever got Vivid, and from what I've seen and what I've heard, Vivid has a good reputation. So yeah, really look into these Vivid pieces. We got another one here. Hold on a sec. And that's the loose cannon. It's good packaging on there, quite fun. And where's the information? There it is. 410.7 grams in there. So yeah, I did have to wrap this in cling film because the cardboard was ripped there. So yeah, That's loose cannon by Vivid. That shouldn't affect the thing. You can see the tubes through, but it should be alright because I wrapped it up with cling film. So yeah, that's pretty much all the selection boxes and barrages there. With the these 3 Snowflake to Avalanche, Immortal, Jellyfish and Butter Moon, just like the Angel Dust, we do have some in there as well. I just ain't brought them out because obviously there's not much space, so I've just brought the 3 out. But you do get buy one get one free from Latif's if you're ever over there in Bilston or Birmingham. So yeah, most stuff here is from Latif's, like all these smaller barrages, them Singing Dragon selection boxes, and these fountains, I mean handheld fountains and sparklers. And the Screaming Banshee, Loose Cannon and Mercury selection box are from Hollybush. I'm sure some of you here in the Midlands know about Hollybush. Pretty decent products from there. So yeah, started going there every year now for the past 2 or 3 years. So yeah, he hasn't disappointed. So that's all the selection boxes, barrages, paintings and whatever. I forgot to add that's from Asda. I might have said it earlier though. So yeah, that's everything there. And now we come to the rockets, which is here, which is also from Vivid. Well, these first ones are from Vivid, the Reapers, and them look pretty big, as you can see. How many grams in there? 340 grams, so there's more than Warhawks. So them should be pretty decent. Looking forward to them. And Warhawk 2s, the double burst Warhawks. So these are pretty popular as well. Not as popular as the normal Warhawk, but yeah, still quite popular. These are from Hollybush as well, and these Warhawks are from Latif's as well. And then buy one get one free because there's another pack there, as you can see. So yeah, how many of the neckers has this got? 280, so there's 20 grams less than the normal Warhawks in these, which is surprising because of the double burst. So yeah, I think it's always good because the second burst is smaller than the first one. That's what I've noticed anyway. So yeah, so we got them rockets, some more there, and like I says, some more in that bag, because you get buy one get one free for these 3 there. Well, you get buy one get one free on everything at Latif's. So yeah, not buy one get one free at Hollybush obviously, and Asda. But yeah, I think this is the 3rd and final part, like I said earlier, to this year's Bonfire Night Firework stash. If I do get any more, it won't be much, probably just some single shot tubes, like a couple of packs of them or something. But yeah, if I do get some of them, I might just show them on a separate video, because I might do one where I've got the entire stash all out together. I'm not sure yet, but I might do. So if I do, make sure you're subscribed and look out for that. Make sure you click the bell as well, because some of the videos don't seem to be getting the notification out for them. So make sure you click the bell and subscribe. But yeah, for the 3rd time, this is the 3rd and final stash, and I might do the entire stash together. And yeah, depending when this comes out, it's either 1 week or a little bit less than 1 week to go to Bonfire Night. So yeah, anyway, I stopped blabbering on. So Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.